guys, so this is my Intel Extreme Tuning utility, and there's my overclocked Intel 9900K. As you can see, it just passed stress test, and yeah, what I can say, over all the time, 5 minutes, 5 gigahertz without interruptions. Here, as you can see, current, recent maximum, average. So yeah, package temperature 73 maximum, average 49. Yep, so no motherboard VR thermal throttling, no thermal throttling. Power limit, nope. Cache frequency 4.4 gigahertz. Yep. So looks good. Yeah, here's my CPUD HV monitor, and as you can see, the thermals are decent, average 35. Yep, voltage is stable, temperatures not crazy. So here you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode and my slideshow that I made for you, my PC build. Just don't judge me too much because I haven't had built a PC maybe in 15 years. So yes, I've been using my old PC that I built, and then the laptop, then another laptop, and the MSI Titan laptop that I'm filming this video on. So guys, I would really be happy as well if you left me a comment and what should have I done differently, or what could you do in your situation differently. About the radiators that I bought, so that's the project for the future. The big 560mm Maxos 45 for copper radiators, and most probably what I'm gonna mount them on the outside stand. Probably just gonna make some makeshift stand and just to connect with the soft tubes to my PC and just cool it down. So I have all the parts, all the components now for my final build. I'm just now in the stage where I generate ideas. How should I make this stand and connect everything nicely? So I'm still working on it, and it's gonna be a surprise. So bear with me, keep watching, and a little bit about the complexity and the priciness of this build. So it's really not the Evolv Shift X, it's a really nice, beautiful case. I aesthetically like it, and I've chosen it because of its small footprint. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of space in my room, and I'm still moving, so it could be a real problem to transport a big case. So the Evolv Shift X just suits my needs perfectly, and the complexity of this case is really high, because you need not the cheapest components, especially if you go for the liquid cooling. and you should go for the liquid cooling because the thermals in this case are really not the best. And, so just bear in mind that you will need a lot of fittings and angles, or just to connect everything clean and nice. I was a little bit unsure about going with hard tube, so I went with a soft tube, and I really loved how it turned out. I really like it. And so as well you will need a lot of cable extensions and cable splitters and all the. So the fans are good but not the greatest. You probably should consider about changing the stock fans with something much more powerful. As well, the hard drives, you should go for 2.5 HDD or SSD drives, and technically you can go for a 2.5 HDD drive, but it would be a terrible idea because you have to sacrifice the thermals, which are not the greatest in this case. Like my mother was supposed to NVMe drives, but the second drive is just be a dead weight rubbish, because you need to mount a heatsink on the NVMe hard drive, and it's not possible because of the Razer cable. So we're gonna die in a few months. Just a waste of money. And yeah, so really not cheap build and not the easiest, but it's really fun, it's really challenging and enjoyable. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, leave a like. If you didn't, you know what to do. And guys, thank you very much for watching, I really appreciate it. And if you really want to see how this build gonna turn out, just bear with me. And for now, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.